Time, the last major storm we dealt with, Hurricane Helene, and now because of the damage here in South Carolina and North Carolina, places like Asheville, they have decided to retire that name. Helene caused widespread damage in the Carolinas, claimed more than 248 lives. The storm also led to $79 billion in damage, making it one of the costliest hurricanes in U.S. history. Helene, along with Beryl and Milton, will be replaced by future names on the storms. They say that they do this to avoid trauma, re-traumatizing people, and also to avoid any type of confusion and talking repeatedly about a storm name.
Yeah, a lot of weather updates today, so we're going to check in.